Hey guys, what's going on? It's Louis Profits here, and today's video is I'm going to be giving you some tips as an eBay dropshipper for a beginner, or if you're not a beginner, these tips are still very useful for you if you do not know them. So I am an eBay dropshipper, and I also do crypto full-time as well. So I'm going to be giving you my tips. I've been doing it for over 2 years now, and I've been fairly successful doing it. I do think it's one of the easiest business models for anyone to get into with low funds. You'd only need about £300 to start with. That's what I started with, and now it is doing extremely well from there. And £300 is 500 US dollars equivalent, around that, give or take. So that's all you would really need. So if you just worked a job for not even a month, 2 weeks, you'd have enough to start. So it's really low entry requirements, which is why I love it so much. If you just want to start new stores, you can keep doing that. If you want to know how you can start new stores, I highly advise you watch my eBay dropshipping stealth account video, where I teach you step by step, all in one video, no separate videos, all in one video, how to create multiple eBay accounts in case you get suspended, or if you want multiple accounts so you can maximize your profits. But it's not all as easy as it seems. You may be thinking, oh, this sounds so easy, why doesn't everyone do it? There's a lot of effort, a lot of time, and a lot of headaches you have to deal with. But every single thing you do will give you a learning curve. It is really, really good. For example, if your account gets suspended, you now know you need to be keeping invoices and things like that. That's also in my other previous videos. I've got lots of videos on this. I've got a playlist, so if you want to go in the playlist and watch that, the same playlist this current video is in, then you'll learn a lot about eBay dropshipping from all of those videos. So I've had quite a few comments on my previous videos right now, because I've just been mainly focused on crypto recently. On a lot of my crypto videos, I've had people saying, oh, can you do more eBay videos? So I'm just doing another eBay video here as requested, and these are my tips. So right here I've made a PDF of some really good suppliers that you can use. These are UK suppliers, so I'm not going to go too in depth with it, but you can use Von House and Von Shelf, and here's some pros here if you want to pause and read it. I'm not going to go through it all because it will take ages. I've got other things I want to talk about here. Cons, and then I've given you my summary. Smith Toys, pros, cons, summary. And if we go George Asda as well, cons, summary. Argos, also a good one, cons, summary. Wilco, cons, summary. Danelm, cons, summary. So now, what do I generally think about these suppliers? Now, they're really good suppliers to use, but I wouldn't give them as a beginner. I would not use these if you're a beginner. If you're a beginner, I advise you watch my video on the top suppliers to use. Simply because I use these suppliers simply for my multiple accounts that I have. To start off with, I would not use these because it's so easy for you to get suspended using these suppliers if you do not do it the right way. Whereas the suppliers I showed in my first couple videos I've ever done on this channel, you will see all of the suppliers you can use really easily. I go really in depth. I show my own experience, and I show exactly how I did it. And everything like that. I show my actual store, showing the products I use, things like that, how I use the product, how I dealt with returns using those suppliers, everything in between. So that is a really good video if you're new to this to watch, the top suppliers. But these here are great suppliers because you know the products sell, right? The products sell really well. The issue is, if eBay can link it to George Asda, Argos, Wilco, for example, you will get suspended straight away because they know you're dropshipping and it's not from a wholesaler, so you'll get it's against their TOS. However, if you're using one of the suppliers in my other video, that won't be a problem. This is more for you to look into in the future. Once you've made your good bit of money, once you've got a few stealth accounts on the go, then these suppliers could be good suppliers for you to jump into for sure. But if we go on to the next tip I would give you, it would definitely be, you want to have a spreadsheet that is very accurate. So you want to add links to your product, so you can just, as soon as you get an order, you tap it, you know how much profit you're going to get, you just put how many sales you get in here and you're good, and you press on the link and you just go and order it. You know how much it is, you know how much you're selling it for, you know what the profit's going to be straight up. It's very simple to do. So one of my old stores, you want to have up here things you're doing, the supplies you're using, so there's no VAT with DHgate, but then AliExpress, you're going to charge 20%. So for example, same with Banggood, you go Banggood, no VAT. But if we go on to the AliExpress ones, for example, go on to AliExpress, you charge 20% here. So I know exactly what I'm doing with this spreadsheet. If you want to know yourself, because this may look complicated to you if you're new to e-commerce in general, then I've got a video also teaching how you can create an automatic spreadsheet specifically for eBay dropshipping. So that could be something very good for you to watch as well if you are brand new. The final tip I would give you is you find a product, right, and you search it up here. You want to find another seller who's using the same supplier as you, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to show you exactly what I mean by doing it right in front of you. So let's just use AliExpress as an example. I rarely use AliExpress because it'll be very easy to find a seller. Let's just go to appliances. So let's see if this product is going to be on eBay. I think it should be because the amount of orders it has. However, the more orders you don't isn't necessarily a good thing because it means there'll be more competition. Yep, this is the same product. So you just go here. It's sold for $5.58, just different colors. But if you just go onto the supplier, the guy selling it on eBay, items for sale. Now you got all the items. You want to go to sold because you know what's selling. This is a very easy way for you to find product to list. And as you can see, you're selling multiple daily. You would then just copy and paste all of these, put them onto AliExpress, put them onto all of your suppliers, Banggood, DHgate, Geekbuy, Go Dropship, so many suppliers to use, CJ Dropshipping even, and you just type them on all of them until you find another one. And if you can beat this price, then you want to do that as well. All you do is you press sell one like this, it would copy his listing, you put your own photos. So that's now bring it on to the last and final tip I can bring you guys, which is you want to add your own photos. I do not mean, oh, copy it off the supplier yourself, right click this, save. No, I do not mean this. You do that, yes you do that. What's missing from this guy's listing? So many things are missing from this guy's listing. You want to add, for example, if you know it's shipped with Royal Mail, put Royal Mail on it. Put same day dispatch if you're using Go Dropship because it's same day dispatch before 9 AM. Things like that. You want to add things that incentivize the buyer to go from you because you've added that little bit extra of info onto the listing. You look that extra bit trustworthy. Yeah, they have more sales, but you've got these. You want to add these, especially if you're a new seller, new account. You want to add these things for sure. They do help more than you can imagine. So that is it for this video. If you have enjoyed, if I have given you any value by watching this video, I really would appreciate a like and a subscribe. That would help me out more than you can imagine. And yeah, thank you very much and have a lovely rest of your day.